The window is very much like a stage, a theatre. Pyramid is one of the most useful forms of dressing. It allows us to create a focal point which allows the customer's eye to travel through the display to see everything. This can be done on a small scale or a very large scale. So how to achieve this? You would start off with your larger merchandise at the top, and then you go graduate down to different sizes. So the top you start off with, let's say, with a big piece and smaller pieces, and you carry all the way down. It's been proven that it's the best way to attract customers because the public only have a couple of seconds to attract their attention. So I would advise anybody to have the blocks that we've used here. Large, medium, small can be very easily made. They're very adaptable. They can be recovered, they can be painted. And once you lay these out, these give you the kind of shape that you want to create for a pyramid. We have to be able to change and move things around. The plinths, again, can be moved in different positions, but as long as you have that large, medium, small, and that focal point coming through. So if you have a small window and you want to dress it, the things that you really need is a grid system up high. So this allows you to suspend your merchandise. And also the floor panels, which are removable, which allows you to do seasonal changes. So when you have multiple windows, ideally you would need to have a scheme that goes right across to try and have cohesion between the two windows. The areas that people tend to forget is to press their merchandise, the good lighting, and when you go inside the store, to have some link between the actual window and the inside. So when you walk into a store, you should be able to easily see the merchandise which is in the window, so it's easy to purchase.